welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing really well. If you're new here and you feel like hitting that subscribe button, it would mean the world to me. It would really make my life so much easier and so much better, and yes, please do join the family. Also, if you like the video, please give me a thumbs up. Today's video is going to be a nail look that I did on the POOCHIEZ nails. Realistic practice hand Sarah, who at the moment I think is my favourite. I really like Sarah. She's gorgeous. I always say gorgeous like I'm from Jersey and I don't know why. Gorgeous. Why? It's just that one word. And yeah, so I don't know why I do that, but I do. And yes, I hope you enjoyed this video. Also, I'm just going to put it out there now. In my last voiceover, somebody said to me something along the lines of, why are you trying to be like a ninja nail fairy, just be yourself? I'm just going to put it out there. I've been making videos for nearly 3 years now, and this is how I talk. We do sound alike. I noticed that the first time I ever saw her. I've only been watching her videos for like a month or so, and if you watch my videos back, you'll see this is how I talk, okay? I've been talking like this, you know, for a long time, and it's not my fault that she talks the same as me. It just happens. There's a lot of people in the world. There's going to be a lot of people who are very similar to other people. It doesn't mean that we're copying each other. I just wanted to put that out there. I am 100% myself in my videos. As much as that will annoy a lot of people, I am completely myself. I am a little bit weird. I'm a little bit crazy. And I hope you guys are on board with that. I love you guys so much. You're all so supportive. And yeah, let's get into this video. Okay, so today I'm using CJP, I am using Peach Sorbet, and I'm also using, I know I've just used Peach Sorbet, but yeah, I'm also using IBIZA Sunset, which is like, it comes across quite red on here, but it's kind of more pink. I feel like in the pictures it looks a bit reddy, but yeah, it's a really nice kind of like a hot pink, and I just love it. So yeah, so I'm just taking Peach Sorbet in and I'm going to build up the nail bed with this. By the way, I have already prepped the nail. I've taken the surface shine off and I've just stuck some stiletto tips to the end of the coffin nails that were already on. So I wanted to try do these a little bit longer, and then I think they look kind of, they're kind of like an almond stiletto. I don't feel like they're super like, they're not like super sharp stiletto, which I absolutely love. But yeah, I think they're still quite a cool shape, and yeah, it's just that I would let you know that. So for this nail, I decided to do a smile line, or at least attempt to do a smile line. I'm really struggling with smile lines. Obviously, I'm sure you guys already know that because you've seen me struggle and not be very good at them. But yeah, I'm attempting again, and it goes all right. It's not the best, but I don't know what it is. I have a really bad thing about symmetry, and this one just did not go symmetrical at all. But yeah, I also seem to go too thick, especially like, I know that you need to be like kind of thick at the smile line part so that you've got like product to butt up to, but I just go way too thick. I just go too thick, guys. I don't know why. Why do I do it? Somebody help, please. It's really annoying me that the camera's a little bit shaky as well. Basically, obviously it's above me and I have my big massive ring light also above me. And like my head keeps like kind of like knocking it a little bit. So I'm really sorry about this, guys. So I'm now going in with Ibiza Sunset, which I don't know, you can kind of tell it's pinky there, I guess. It's like a hot pink and it's got a shimmer to it, which is just beautiful. I love it. So I'm going in, this is going to be a full nail of Ibiza Sunset. I feel like I probably should have bled the beads out with this because it just wasn't quite pigmented enough, which meant I had to go in and again go a little bit thicker. And I know you guys have already mentioned before that I was like too thick with my last set, so yes, I am sorry about this, guys. But I do think that if I'd have gone drier and bled the bead out a little bit, it would have been like more opaque, if that makes sense. So yes, just thought I would put that out there. And here I'm going in again with the Ibiza Sunset, and I'm going to do this one, another full nail of Ibiza Sunset. I think in my mind I was going to do this like Ibiza Sunset and then glitter on top, but I just decided to stick with the CJP colours and just have it as just like the colours for this set. So yeah, just going in and again going in with the full nail and just, yeah, I'll let y'all watch it. And then obviously taking that Ibiza Sunset to do the smile line thing, the tip of the smile line. And yeah, I really like these colours together. I think the colours looked really good together. And I felt like I'd got this smile line. I thought I'd done it right this time. I was like, yeah, it's fine. But it just wasn't, I think I did it right, but it just wasn't quite even. It was like leaning to one side a little bit. So yeah, I will just let you guys watch this. So I'm now just going in and I'm just capping in clear. I chose to do this because I didn't want to do the full nail with the colour products because obviously they're a bit more expensive. I just want to show you guys this though. Can you see where it's gone like frosty there on that little bit? I don't know why this keeps happening, and yeah, but it's happened to me before. I'm not sure if it's the acrylic that I'm using, because I think I did use which clear did I use for this? As you can see there, I decided to wipe over the nail with a bit of monomer before putting the clear on, and it actually didn't happen on this nail, so maybe it is something to do with like a little bit of the powder being dry inside or something. Whoa, could that be any shaky right there? Sorry guys. But yeah, it's fine, it's all good, so we'll just carry on. But yeah, if anybody does have any tips on that, and if that is why, then cool, hopefully I'll remember to do that from now on. But yeah, I just decided to cap it all in clear because I didn't want to use loads of the coloured acrylic, if that makes sense. And yes, I'm not 100% whether the Ibiza Sunset is a strength powder or not. It probably is, I'm not actually sure, but I decided to cap anyway. So I'm now just going in with a clear top coat and I'm just covering all nails with a clear top coat. Look how shiny and pretty. I'm always very, very careful not to get it on the hand, and I do always go around the cuticle with Vaseline, so that's a good tip if you are using one of your Poochie's nails hands. That's a good idea. As you can see, when I'm working on these hands, I do start my gloss from the middle to the bottom before. I think I said this before, but I can say it again. And then I go in to the top afterwards, just because I definitely do not want to flood the cuticle here. So yeah, that's just a little tip there for y'all. And that's the finished look, guys. This is the nails all finished. As you can see, the smile line is definitely not perfect. I feel like the actual smile line part where I've got the colours like together right, it's just not quite an even smile line. So I'm glad that that went better, because that's something I was struggling with before. So I'm definitely getting better. I just need to keep practicing, and I'm going to be doing lots and lots of practicing and lots of videos using these hands. So you should be seeing like quite a few different sets of nails each week now. Hopefully that's my plan. So yeah, this is the finished result, and this is the Sarah hand. So that is it, guys. It's the finished look. I had some comments on my last video when I did Bella's nails saying they were a bit thick. Please do let me know if you think that these ones are thinner or if these ones were a little bit like better. I don't know. For me, I kind of think when you're doing long nails, they kind of need to be thick or they're gonna break. That's just my opinion. I don't know, are these ones thick? Like, these ones have stayed on for so long. And if you guys remember me doing these ones, they were like the Valentine's Day ones. And these ones stayed on for like ever. Oh yeah, the background's not very tidy. I'm sorry about that, guys. I've just filmed an unboxing video and that's why. We've probably already seen that one because I think that one will have been up before this one. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Like I say, I love getting not criticism, but constructive criticism. Is that right? I like it when you guys give me tips and advice. And so yeah, if you think that these were also too thick, if you can think of something that I'm doing that I need to change, please do leave me a comment down below, because I take everything on board when you guys tell me things. Honestly, I take everything on board. Also, don't think I didn't notice that you all have been hating on my do it right, just do it right, just do it. Why did you not like that song, guys? I don't get it. Okay, I've heard you, I'm listening, and I'm not going to be using that song anymore in my videos. So yeah, if this song that I'm using in this video, if you do like this, I'll keep using it. I'm going to try make a few more up as well, so that they're not always the same song, if that makes sense. But I will not use the Do It Right video music anymore. So I am listening to you guys, I am taking everything on board, and yeah. Anyway, you're probably not even still watching right now, so all of what I've just said probably means nothing. If you're still watching, please type #DoItRight in the comments. Please do that, please do that. And yeah, I'm gonna leave you guys now. I love you so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!